Stop! Stop, man. Just let me out. Let me out. Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot!
Negative K, nothing further. Just see the cab on the corner.
On March 18th, 2023, police officers from the Metropolitan Police Department in Northeast Washington, D.C., Baker Street, received a call reporting a suspicious vehicle. When officers arrived, they confirmed it was a stolen white Hyundai Tucson with mismatched plates and someone asleep in the driver's seat. MPD officers responded to the scene, and the United States Park Police were called in for backup. What happens next will shock you. I put a lot of effort into making these videos, so if you'd like to support my work, consider subscribing. Now, buckle up, the video starts.
If we could like cut the tape and gain access entry to the car, we could get him out. But we're trying to get someone up to the front to get a snap a photo of the VIN. Because we're pretty sure the car is stolen. Right now. The white car? Yeah. The silver. It's like oh yeah, whatever that silver piece is. Yeah, we had one the other day. Similar situation. Well, like they were like, "Can we get a crane?" I was like, "Well, a crane can't lift it with someone in it, and we're not allowed to box." I mean, you all can do a lot more than we can. Yeah, we can box them in.
Boxing in is a police tactic designed to stop a suspect's moving vehicle by surrounding it with law enforcement vehicles and then slowing all vehicles to a stop. The officers discuss surrounding the parked suspect vehicle with their patrol cars to keep the driver from escaping, but things don't go as planned.
We can do it the safest way possible, but I mean, we're not going to take the arrest for it.
No.
So, yeah, I'll block them in. Yeah, I'll block them in so you guys don't have to worry about it. It's that SUV all the way up there.
It's the silver Hyundai in front of the red.
Yeah, so I can.
It's a red Ford or Hyundai.
Yeah, oh yeah, so I can slow roll and get right in front of them whenever you guys are ready.
Because I think we just got the VIN, so we're gonna confirm whether it's truly.
Yeah, so we can yank them out, but you know, for safety of everybody, is ignition on? We should get some chalk blocks.
I didn't go past.
Maybe that's what I'll ask. Yeah, because we get some chalk blocks, and we don't have to block it in. I'll throw it. Like I can take one of one of those bricks from somebody, or I put my vehicle in front of them. I'm not worried about my vehicle. And
well, the thing is, we don't want to box them in.
I mean, I'll box them. I can make the call. They can't.
Oh, they can't.
But I can't.
Okay. Because they're kind of they like wanted me to take primary.
So I said, we're not going to lock them up, but I'll block them in.
Okay.
I was like, we're not going to lock them up. He's like, oh, we'll take that, but they don't want to break the window without boxing them in. I'll box them in. I'll take that because it's for the safety of all of us. But if the car's off, I'm not worried about having to box them in or not. But if they don't want to do anything until it's boxed in,
I think it's on. But I don't know for sure.
You see exhaust fumes?
No.
We can't see exhaust? We're debating on whether it's on or off.
I saw.
You saw exhaust?
Yeah. I mean, unless it's off now.
Ran out of fuel.
I saw it earlier.
Yeah, I mean, I pulled up the case number for Epstein yesterday. I was going to do yours. And then I printed your body cam. Or did you already do it?
Already
you did? Yeah. So I'll just make sure it's the right same case number. You looked up his?
Yeah.
And you just did, what'd you do? Non-evidentiary or did you do his evidence?
I did evidence and then I didn't make a case though.
Did you pull it off of? Yeah, I'm not worried about making. I don't make it. I don't make
the ID. Well, I got an Instagram and anything with evidence needs to be tied to the case. So
I don't have anything with evidence.
Right. I just did it because I transported the dude. So, you know, in case he makes a complaint or something, I don't want that video to go away. So I don't know for sure our policy on that. But that is what gained up some people.
An MPD?
I think in Reddit.
Yeah. So you want to break out the window? I don't have a problem boxing him in. If we're going to break out the window and yank him out, I'm not worried about. If the vehicle's off especially, just for safety purposes, I'll stop his avenue of retreat. Because you guys don't want to break the window until the vehicle can't move type deal. All right. Yeah, I mean, and you guys are taking the arrest though? Okay, I'm fine with that. You good with that?
Yeah.
You got a glass cutter?
Yeah.
Who'll break the window? Is it going to be this officer up here? So we need to investigate.
I think this.
That works.
Push this.
Yeah, I got what's his name to order some.
Oh, okay.
So apparently you just put it up the window, but you had to be ready for it because I wasn't ready for it for the first time. I'd prefer them to break it, though. If they're gonna make the arrest, if they want the arrest and all that. So
I think that only applies in a pursuit, though.
yeah, we can't
Well,
walk
like-
them in if they're stopped.
Like, if he takes off
Yeah,
and he's blocked in, like, we're not.
I've done this before, and no one's ever said it.
Right.
Yeah,
So I
we
think
can't
it's
we
like
can't
an
box in.
active pursuit.
Yeah, we
box
can't
somebody
box in for an active pursuit, but we can stop somebody from leaving the scene. That's why you need stop sticks. You got stop sticks in your car?
No,
I mean, this is why we need like shot clocks. I know some departments carry like a. It's similar to a stop stick, and they just put it in front of the tire. I think he's getting clear. Oh, they DJ'd the guy, the D4 guy. That fucking,
really?
Yeah, they brought him back to the station, and I guess either what's his name? The Luke 31 and said, nah, DJ him, take him back, and take his car back. So you gun face the guy in front of his house, and you're not holding him. Obviously, IA should have, or what's it called, detective should have been notified.
was it like 60 yesterday?
Yeah. Are you waiting for confirmation on what y'all want to do, or you want me to?
Well, so on our end, we've given him a way to leave, and he can't get in.
Yeah.
We are not allowed to box in.
The officers learned from their supervisor that they were not allowed to perform a box-in. They'll come up with another plan and try to take the suspect into custody without anyone getting hurt.
And you don't want to pull him out unless the vehicle can't.
Well, we can't.
You can't pull him out.
It's locked.
Yeah. We'll break the window.
There's the tape over the window we could cut and try and
I see.
unlock.
Here's what I'm thinking. The back window, it's already broken. It's got a piece of plastic. Carefully, I can cut it out, unlock the door from the exterior.
I'm fine with that.
If the door opens quietly, he's still knocked out, then I'll move away. Somebody just has to jank him. He's got his hands up.
So the last
But we
guy
have to
too, him and I will yank him out. Or do you want to? Who wants to be? You want to be hands guy?
Well, my other question is, have we looked to see if it's in drive or park? And is it
It's in
still
park.
running? Is it still running?
It's running.
Okay. Because I saw it running earlier, but then I didn't see the
No, it's running. It's in park. He's knocked out. Like, he's literally moving
No,
out.
yeah. So, like, I just want to make sure that we don't have anyone on our end or your end that if he like throws it in drive, gets a foot run over or side swiped, or if he throws it in reverse. I just want everyone.
So the best way is cut out that plastic.
Yeah, unlock it, yank him out.
Carefully and quietly try to unlock the door. If that works and we're able to open the door and he's still knocked out, then we can reach in and pull him out before he gets to the gear. But we're not going to go in there if he's starting up because he's going to wake up and drive and let him go at that point. We don't
I'm fine with that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we don't want anybody to get caught in the middle of that door. So I think cut out that plastic, try to unlock the door once again. If it opens and he's still knocked out, then we kind of make room. Quickly just jump in there, grab him, grab his hands, don't let him put it in drive, and we'll deal with it.
Okay.
And I missed part of the return. There's a bus went by. It's just plain stolen, not like
It's stolen, yeah.
I was just making sure, like, if it was a felony vehicle.
Nah, it's a
and then
stolen
have we, like,
vehicle.
gotten a good look to sort of clear to us that he's unarmed. Not that we can fully determine, but
Yeah,
there's
he's
no
got a
obvious
phone on.
gun in his
He's
lap.
got a phone on his lap. He does have his left hand, which is good for us, inside his waistline. You know, but I don't see anything on there. So if we can just secure that hand, quickly get in there, leave space, we can do that. And if he takes off, he takes off. But just don't get caught inside of that car. You know what I mean?
No, yeah.
So it was reported stolen.
Huh?
The car is
It's stolen.
stolen, and the tag comes back to a different car than that car.
When was it stolen though?
I think recent.
Yeah, he's the tag.
Do we know if it was
Oh, you can
carjacked or
Straight stolen.
just straight stolen?
So I think that's the best approach. Quietly cut out the thing, unlock that door. If he doesn't get startled, you know, I can always cut it, unlock it, and bend down. If he doesn't get startled, then we cut it.
If he hasn't woken up yet, I feel like.
Yeah. I mean, he
I'll
should've
turn
woken
everything down whenever you're ready.
But please don't get caught inside of that.
Yeah, no. Remind me all my shit's on silent. My phone's on silent.
No, exit your vehicle quietly. I mean, it's just a stolen, but we'll try to get it down. If he takes off, he takes off.
Yeah.
So be it. You know, whatever. But at least.
Either one's an interesting story.
Yeah. And then my camera's low, so he doesn't hear it.
Yeah,
Just
turn your
that
camera on.
such.
You already let Porter know the plan.
I asked him to come over here quietly so we can tell him what's going on. unlock the door. If he doesn't get started or doesn't wake up, then we're going to try to get in there, grab him before he puts that car in gear. You know what I mean? He's got one hand, at least the last time I checked, I'm going to check again, one hand inside his waist. I don't see anything, and then the phone is lying on his shoulder area, or I'm sorry, chest area. The right hand is actually back, so we can grab that hand, get a hold of that other one, we're good to go. But let's wait to see if he gets started at that. If he does, keep his golf, just let him go. But don't get inside that car until we actually know.
Alright, either way. We're going to approach and attempt to see if through the paint over the window we have access to remove him. So just a reminder, if he does flee, that is his avenue of escape.
Cut that tape. You can get in. You're going to unlock the door
Well, I'm going to, remember, I got to unlock it from the exterior. Exactly. So I have to cut, make sure he doesn't get started. Then unlock it quietly. And if he doesn't get started in and he's still knocked the hell out, then I can open the door, make entrance for anyone, go in there and grab him as soon as possible. You know, just remember for us, don't grab my chest.
Yeah, you know that's right. Last one I had, like, you'll see a gun in his waistline.
I think this kid might.
Yeah.
The officers planned to quietly approach the vehicle and in a coordinated and swift manner, grab the suspect from both sides to prevent him from escaping with the car. Their goal was to apprehend the suspect without anyone getting hurt, while being prepared for any potential firearm threat the suspect might have.
Don't move. Stop! Stop, man. Just let me out. Let me out. Stop! Stop or I'll shoot! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't move! Don't move! Line 12! Don't fucking move!
The first officer was dragged to the ground when the suspect, who had been asleep inside the stolen vehicle, woke up and started the engine. As he was about to get into his patrol car to pursue, he heard the second officer's shots fired call and immediately drove to the scene. We'll now watch the rest of the incident from his body-worn camera.
Good, bro?
Rockwood, 6 10 coffee.
Is he dead?
North 5
I'm gonna try to turn the vehicle off. Switch spots with the gun on him.
I'll run number 1. So you're wrong.
In park. He looks to, I got it in park. I can't shut it off.
Everybody out of your house? Okay.
Hey, it's a GSW GSW to the stomach. I got a head injury as well, hand injury. Hey, he's breathing.
Yeah, I know he is.
Hey, you got something I can put on? I can apply pressure. I just need a kit. Hey, there's a kit in. Yeah, give me a kit.
Hey, buddy, can you hear us?
Hey, you good? Can you hear anything?
You hear us, buddy? All right. We can try to pull him out.
We can get him out this way, is it? Towards me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Go back.
What do you need?
That's back, does it?
The officers made great efforts to prevent the crashed vehicle from running any further and causing more damage. They also tried to remove the neutralized suspect and his foot from the car, because his foot was still pressing the gas pedal. After that, they provide first aid. I can't show the first aid footage here because it contains open wounds. If you'd like to watch the version that complies with YouTube's guidelines but has minimal censorship, you can check out my other channel. Now, let's move on to the final part of the video. The suspect who lost his life in the incident was later identified as 17-year-old Dalaneo Martin. He was killed after a U.S. Park police officer fired 5 shots inside a stolen Hyundai Tucson. The officer who fired at Martin was placed under investigation, and after nearly 20 months of inquiry, the U.S. Park Police announced that federal prosecutors had determined there was insufficient evidence to hold the officer criminally responsible for Martin's death. Neither the name of the USPP officer nor the owner of the stolen vehicle has been released. It also remains unclear why Martin was inside the vehicle with the engine running, or what he was doing there that day. However, it was confirmed that a gun carried by Martin had fallen into the driver's side footwell of the vehicle. Another case closed until the next one. Our eyes on duty. See you next week.